Okay, let's continue. Because if the video too long, I will struggle to upload. First up cycle view, binding dot go view that apply. The adapter is gonna be to do adapter. Pass the empty list first. Layout manager is gonna be linear. Layout manager. We pass the context. Okay. Private function handle state. Okay. When state is main activity state is loading. Gonna show the toss like text this state message voice. Oh, sorry, stop, it's loading. It's actually show toss state.message mouse .long.show. It's gonna be it's loading. Loading state.is loading. This state.init, it will do nothing. But function loading. If is loading is true, gonna show the progress bar, loading bar dot visibility view dot visible. Else I will make it gone. Loading bar visibility view dot gone. Okay, looks good. Private function observe maybe, and then observe state. Also observe the to-dos. Private function observe state. It's gonna be view model dot state dot flow with life cycle. It's gonna be life cycle, and then life cycle state dot started on each handle state it, and then launch in. I forgot about this actually. Life cycle scope. Yeah. Private. It's a little bit different from live data. Sorry, observe to-dos. It's the same thing. The model dot to-dos flow with life cycle. If it's a life cycle dot state dot started. If you are do this in fragment, just add the view lifecycle owner and then dot lifecycle. It should be shown if it's inside the fragment. Handle to-dos. It's gonna be it. Dot launch in. It's a lifecycle scope. Private function handle to-dos. To-dos. It's a list of to-do entity. And check the adapter on your cycle view. Adapter let a. If a is to-do adapter, then update the list. Okay, I will just post this. Set up cycle view. Then observe. Add one more private function fetch to-dos. View model dot fetch to-dos. I think that's important. Yeah, we are gonna run this on the next part of the video.